Well, in a time when some people are demanding changes to how we police, a program to help take on some 911 calls for those experiencing homelessness or a mental health crisis is now moving forward. Jacqueline Abad live tonight with an update on what they're calling the Portland Street Response. What's this all about, Jacqueline?
Well, Jeff, today Portland Fire posted 2 jobs for the Portland Street Response, one for a mental health provider and for a community health worker. Now, this pilot program is expected to start late January, early next year.
I'm going to start the conversation this evening.
Tonight, Commissioner Joanne Hardesty put together a panel to talk about community safety and what it means to us.
It matters who shows up for 911 when somebody calls 911. It matters whether they have the skills and the resources to address whatever the current issue is.
We heard from different communities about their hopes.
There is a fair, safe, and equitable system.
Talked about what's being done in our neighborhoods today and how we are moving forward. In early 2021, a pilot for the Portland Street Response will take place in the Lentz neighborhood. It's a non-police response to calls for those who are homeless or dealing with behavioral or mental health crisis. It was delayed because of the pandemic, but Portland Fire is starting to hire to put a team together.
Portland Fire and Rescue has the infrastructure, and we're currently connected to the current 911 system. And really, with this goal of Portland Street Response, it's really to update the first responder system by providing that alternate, compassionate first response.
Back in June, Portland City Council voted to reallocate $4.8 million from Portland Police to the Portland Street Response so it can expand to 6 teams.
We're looking at it from a prevention. If we can really understand what the model or what the concern is and connect them to those resources.
If we look at community safety as a health issue, then we will invest dollars differently to make sure that we are investing in the right community supports that make community members safer and make us all healthier.
Portland Fire says that once the pilot starts at the 6-month mark, they will look at bringing in a second team. Now, if you're interested in one of those 2 positions, we have those links on our website, coin.com. The next virtual meeting to discuss community safety with Commissioner Joanne Hardesty is next Thursday. Reporting live in downtown Portland, Jacqueline Abad, KOIN 6 News.